F-Factor is the most disruptive and liberating approach to weight loss and management. You actually can lose weight without hunger, you feel full throughout the day, and you're getting healthier. What makes it effective is the combination of fiber and protein. Fiber revs up your metabolism, it keeps you full for hours, and it makes calories and fat disappear. The protein is essential for maintaining muscle mass, so you're not just skinny flabby, you actually can look lean and strong, which is gonna be awesome in your bathing suit. So today, we are making one of my favorite recipes packed with fiber and protein to help you guys look your best. We made a waffle that has 20 grams of fiber, 20 grams of protein, and only 3-gram net carb. So for anyone on a low-carb diet, you get to eat waffles and you don't gain weight. It's so simple, guys. It's only 4 ingredients. It's 4 egg whites, 2 scoops of the F-Factor 2020 powder, 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, and half a teaspoon of baking powder. So the first thing we're going to do is crack 4 egg whites and put it in the bowl. Once you have 4 egg whites in the bowl, whisk that together. Just break up the egg whites a little bit more aggressively. Get in there, girl.
Use my muscles.
And once they're broken up, we're going to add 2 scoops of the F-Factor 2020. Now this powder is all natural, it's non-GMO, it's kosher, there is no sugar added. F-Factor is not a no-fat diet, it's a low-fat diet, so a little fat goes a long way. Fat is so important to slow down digestion, but it's also a really essential nutrient for beauty, like for supple skin and shiny hair, so we need a little bit of fat in our diets, guys. So this is organic MCT coconut oil, just 1 teaspoon. And the last ingredient is baking powder, half a teaspoon. This is what's gonna allow the waffles to get puffy. F-Factor is based on these 4 disruptive principles that allow you to lose weight, not only without hunger, but without sacrificing your lifestyle. The 4 disruptive principles of F-Factor are: you get to eat carbs from day 1. What do you mean by carbs? Well, we're eating waffles, for God's sake. So that's a step
amazing.
1 of food. You get to dine out from day 1. You can go out for any kind of cuisine, Japanese, Chinese, Mexican, Indian, you name it. You can enjoy cocktails from day 1. So all spirits, tequila, vodka, bourbon, wine from day 1. And we teach you how to work out smarter.
Oh my gosh, it's so good. Like fluffy and crispy on the outside, which is what I feel like everyone wants. If we're comparing it to bagels, everyone wants that crunch.
Like a toasted bagel. Okay, Ali, so now that we've made the waffles, here comes the fun part, putting it together to turn it into the bagel waffle. What makes it a bagel waffle is the cream cheese, and my favorite bagel is the everything bagel. So we're going to use the everything but the bagel seeds. A serving is going to be 2 waffles. This is the bottom of the bagel, this is the top. So we will put cream cheese on both. We are using a low-fat Greek cream cheese. Greek cream cheese, if you're not already familiar with it, is going to become super popular, just like Greek yogurt, because it has twice the protein of traditional cream cheese, and it has half the calories and half the fat. You could eat 1 and you'd be full, and sometimes people say, like, Tanya, F-Factor so much food. I'm like, I know, right? I'm like, don't tell me you're complaining about that, because every other diet you're starving. This, people are complaining that it's almost too much food, but it's not just the quantity, it's the quality of the food you're eating. Getting that fiber into your body is revving up your metabolism, and it keeps you feeling full, so you really are losing weight without hunger. It's so liberating.
This is so good. I still cannot believe that it's 1 serving, because even from this, I mean, it's filling, it's delicious, it's savory.
And not just 1 serving, but the fact that it's only 3 grams of carbs for the entire thing. It's 3 grams of carbs is less carbs than what's found in vegetables. Vegetables are 5 grams of carbs per serving. So for anyone following a low-carb diet, this will fit in perfectly. But unlike traditional low-carb, high-protein diets, the fiber, guys, is what makes this so unique. On F-Factor, we let you drink, we let you dine out. The idea is that by adding all this fiber into your diet, the fiber adds volume so that you're getting large portions of food with low caloric density. And that's why the weight loss happens.
Well, thank you so much, Tanya. These are delicious. And I just can't believe how easy it was.
So simple, so quick, literally from ingredients to batter to waffles, it's less than 5 minutes. And this recipe is gonna keep you guys feeling and looking your best all summer long.
Thank you, Tanya.
Enjoy.